YouTube. Today is the day. Bye-bye. That's getting Zeus back today. You excited? But yeah, I'm taking the Hunter out with me. So we're gonna get this started, folks. Just waiting for my brother-in-law to get here, and we're gonna make the hour and 27-minute ride one way, 81 miles down to Carpenter Racing. Oh, what's going on, folks? We are here, Carpenter Racing. Me and my brother-in-law getting the beast. So I don't know where to park, but we're gonna figure this out. But the excitement is no joke. So we're gonna conduct business. We'll have Zeus outside. Oh, yeah, we gotta do something.
The revolution will be live.
I had to switch to the GoPro because cell phone was acting up, but yeah, we're out here, Carpenter Racing. So let's go inside. Alright, folks, we're up here at Carpenter Racing. Man, these guys are no joke. So me and my brother-in-law were talking to them. These guys are on it. But just giving them a plug here in Berlin, New Jersey. Zeus is putting down some serious numbers. I won't put that out there until after, but it's more than what I thought off the regular pump. And then MR12 is coming, baby. So yeah, Extreme Seams will be next. Alright, YouTube folks, so video had to be adjusted at the request of Bob, and for good reason. So when I was doing some footage, inadvertently some other bikes that are being worked on ended up in the intro, so you're gonna see a cut and two particular clips. And you know, folks who have their bikes being worked on, you know, it's, you know, you want to make sure that you're maintaining privacy and, you know, maintaining respect and integrity of the business. So just so you know, just a quick disclaimer, had to make an adjustment and continue to enjoy the video. Alright, YouTube family, we are, here he is, they turned him into a monster. So Eric is taking care of business, so we're gonna take a little photo out before we leave. But Carpenter Racing, make sure you check them out in Berlin, New Jersey. You know, Ricky Gaston, lots more. You know, these guys are the best in the business. It's looking super clean, and it looks as if, you know, nothing's changed. But we're gonna see. It's gonna be some good stuff. Zeus is back. Yeah.
So the machine moves in 5 different directions. It's almost like 5 dimensions, but we only know 3.
Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah. That is amazing. I've always wanted to see what the process was like.
Yeah.
You know, but
so this over here, this machine over here is this is where we do the valve seats on this machine here.
Okay.
Okay. So we cut this part first, which is real hard stellite material, which we don't want to cut with this cutter.
Got it.
And this is way more of a smooth finish.
Yeah.
And you can see the curve here on that cutter.
Got it.
That's called a full radius valve job. You heard a 3 angle, 4 angle, 5 angle.
Right.
This is infinite angle when you do a full radius.
That's amazing. All right.
And it's so accurate. This thing here, this floats on air.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, I saw something on YouTube pertaining, like I saw somebody messing around with that.
Yeah. So this floats on air, and then when I get it into the valve guide hole, I haven't set this up yet this morning. So when I get it into the valve guide hole, then I float the spindle, which floats in multiple angle like this.
Right.
It's got a ball socket up here.
Okay.
And now I'm going to float that And now it's aligning perfect with the valve guide, so the seat will be perfect to the valve guide axle.
Amazing.
Knowledge is power, and Bob has it right here. Let me tell you.
So this, that, and I turn this on and come down and cut, which I'm not going to do talking because I want to make sure that.
I got you. You see, my brother-in-law needs to get in on this. You know, it's like be an awesome business.
I used to work in metal cutting, down in our Cedar Grove.
Yeah.
On those.
Oh yeah, Cedar Grove.
All right. But you know what? If you, I have to give you a plug for my channel. If anybody, you know, how to get to you, what services you offer, you know.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
We make our own valve guide seats with this stuff over here on this machine here.
All right.
So when they go for real big valves, we cut out the stock seats and we use this bar material here.
Okay.
And when we cut it, you can see all the shavings and all of the older stuff.
Oh man, you know what? This was a long trip, but I want to come back and do like an in-depth interview with you guys to kind of, you know, just, you know, knowledge is power, like I said, and you know what you guys did for me was freaking awesome, you know.
Well, you got years of research and development in your cylinder head.
Yeah.
And on the front page of our website, you can see the $1 million head. It's a picture of the Hayabusa head.
Yeah.
We got 10 plus years of every winter doing like 100 or so hours of searching for more power.
Yeah.
And the good thing about this machine here is we can take our very best head and make 10 of our very best heads, and then deviate just a little bit this way or that way in size.
Right.
In size, you can just, we have all these cutter sizes here, so we can elevate the size of the port or shrink the size of the port and get the exact size that works for that shape.
Right.
And then we can start doing other shapes. And once we find something that makes more than 1 horsepower more, we'll make a new profile of it. And what we have is we have a digitizer here that goes where the cutter is, here.
Okay.
And this magic wand goes in there.
And
we plug the cable onto it here. And it goes in and traces the port.
Okay.
And just puts it up here, right on screen.
Oh, okay, so you can duplicate and such.
That's it. So
you listening, man?
I know. I used to do that.
Once we have that, we can make all we want.
Okay.
All
right. Bob, thank you for doing this particular video. Like I said, we're going to do a quick photo op. And again, you guys, hey, make sure you check out Carpenter Racing, carpenterracing.com. You know, they made my monster more of a monster. So, yeah, I'm going to be singing their praises and giving them plugs and shout outs. So make sure you check them out. I'll have a link in the description below. Thank you, guys.
Thank you a lot.
Bringing the monster out. Good stuff. So we're going to take a picture at the front. This is going to be an awesome video. All right, we'll be back.
I want to take this time to thank Bob and Eric Carpenter. And a big shout out to Absolute Cycle, Steve Andriopoulos, who helped facilitate this deal. The services that Carpenter Racing offers is second to none. Bob, you are awesome. The knowledge that you gave us and some of the stuff I didn't get to record, you have my utmost respect, and I will visit again to do that promise interview.
I turned Zeus on? Holy cow! Bro, I turned that bad boy on and that was something else. Misha, you hear it, right?
Yeah,
oh,
that was fantastic.
They did the bike justice. Carpenter Racing. The one and only, bro. Yeah, so they're telling me to be careful. So, woo! Hold on. Alright, well, here we go. It's go time. We're gonna do the first test ride on the 360 camera. We're gonna get my brother on some gas and we're heading home. We'll see you in a bit.